Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The NCB Financial Group has ended its 2021-2022 fiscal year with more profit compared to the previous. The company says, however, it continues to face various headwinds as it seeks to maintain stability in its various segments. Aisha Nation reports.
Financial services conglomerate NCB Financial Group saw increased profit in its financial year ended September. The group's Chief Financial Officer and Deputy CEO, Dennis Cohen, says the results were encouraging despite a complex macroeconomic environment.
The group reported consolidated net profits of $39.9 billion for the year ended September 30, 2022, representing a $19.8 billion or 99% increase over the prior year. Net profits attributable to shareholders was $27.3 billion, which is 13.1 or 92% higher than last year and translates to a 17.6% return on equity.
NCB also saw an increase in earnings for the year.
Operating revenues of $149.6 billion grew by 24% or $28.5 billion, led by insurance activities. Net revenues from insurance activities grew by $19.4 billion or 84% over the prior year. The improved performance was mainly due to actuarial reserve releases from adjustments to investment returns and expense assumptions.
And despite the improvements, the group says it will continue to hold payments on dividends. The group's banking and investment activities also reflected increased growth over the prior year as business and consumer activities increased, notwithstanding the headwinds associated with high interest rates.
This segment grew by $9.1 billion or 9% to $107.3 billion. The growth reflected higher net interest and also fee and commission income driven by growth in loan and investment securities and increased card transactions. These gains were partially offset by lower gains on investment activities due to reduced securities trading volumes and falling asset prices within the context of a rising interest rate environment.
The financial group also advised that its subsidiary, the Future of Business TFOB Limited, has been granted approval by the Bank of Jamaica to operate a remittance service as a primary agent. The subsidiary will offer the service through the mobile wallet Link. The Link wallet, which was launched in late 2021, currently offers several payment options to wallet holders, including local money transfers, bill payments, and mobile top-ups. For the Financial Week, I'm Aisha Nation.
Thanks, Aisha. Now let's head to the foreign currency market. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.64. $115.64 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $177.62 for the pound, while it's costing an average $157.12 for the euro. Meanwhile, the JSE index gained 156 points today, while the junior market index declined by 24 points. Leading the advances were Productive Business Solutions US dollar shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Sterling Investments, Epley and Elite Diagnostics. The decliners were led by Everything Fresh, JFP, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares, Jamaica Producers Group, and Productive Business Solutions 9.25% perpetual cumulative redeemable preference US dollar shares. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.